Hi, and Mama Giuliana. My tip today is how to prepare butter for fried vegetables. Okay, we start. We have to put flour in a bowl. And you start to put water, a cold water from the refrigerator. It's a very quite cold, it must be. Don't mix very well, otherwise you risk that the flour come very sticky. No problem, it's not done very well. Then you add a little bit of oil. You see, like this must be. Not very thick and not very soft. You add some oil. Okay. I don't put, it's very important, I don't put salt inside. You put salt when you finish to fry, otherwise the vegetable come soft. The salt lets come not crispy but soft. So you put at the end once you take out from the oil. So now we need a bowl where we put the egg white inside. Only the egg white. See, you take out. I just put one, of course, because depends how many vegetables you have to fry. Now you mix till the egg white have to come very hard. Okay, like this. Okay, you see they're hard now. I'm going to put inside the flour. Then you move very gently. Don't stir very fast or you risk that the egg white doesn't come good after. Okay, this is ready now. So we have to put vegetable inside. Today I have zucchini and put inside. By the time you have your oil ready, very hot, and now we are going to fry the zucchini. So I put the oil. When the oil is very hot, you add the zucchini or any other vegetables that you have prepared and start to cook and have to come crispy and not very cooked, very burned, but just a little bit white. After, before to take out from the pan, you put a towel, paper towel, and one by one you take out the zucchini. You remember I told you not put salt before, otherwise they don't come crispy. We put the salt. The vegetables are ready with salt and very good hot, and you will see how crispy they are.